So our first experiment is to design a home page which displays information about our college department using HTML entities and paragraphs. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it is the standard language used to create web pages, as we can see. Like every website we see on the internet is built using HTML along with CSS and JavaScript. So HTML uses tags to structure contents like headings, paragraph, images, and links. Every HTML document starts with a declaration called a doc type with HTML. So the type of the document is HTML. So and we declare the HTML tag. Inside of the HTML tag, we have head tag and body tag. So head tag contains the title, metadata, like linking of like script, JavaScript, and the CSS styles. And inside of the body tag contains visible contents we see on the web page. Okay. So the title of this web page is Department of Computer Science. We have declared here. So the title and the head tag closes here, and we open a body tag, and then we uses h1, h2 in the h2 and h1. So the h1 tag represents a big font size with the bold character highlighting the Department of Computer Science here, and the h2 tag represents about the department. So we have the subheadings, wherever the subheading we use the h2 tag. So the h2 tag represents a smaller font size that is smaller than the h1 tag. So in the output we can see in the output the Department of Computer Science, that is a big font, and the about the department is a smaller font than the h1 tag. Okay, here, and then the paragraph tag. So the P represents the paragraph. So we can insert a text document like about the Department of Computer Science was established in 2002 and aims to provide. So the we whatever text we need, we can place it inside a paragraph tag and closing the paragraph tag. And the h2 tag represents another subheading like vision and mission. Okay, so another paragraph tag we open and we provide, like we place the text. Our vision is to produce competent. Okay, and another h2 tag represents another third subheading, the courses offered. So inside here we I used ul and li tag. So the ul represents unordered list. Okay. So the unordered list is nothing but we provide the CSBS as a bullet points instead of a number, ordered number like 1, 2, 3. So here we placed like we opened a UL unordered list tag and closes here. Inside of the unordered list, we use a list tag. So that represents a table content like table format. CSCBS, AADS, CCE, it all comes under the courses offered by computer science department. Okay. So we can complete also the PhD in computer science. So the output with the like the output for the UL and LI tag here, the courses offered. We can see a bullet point here and ADS, CCE or the represents. See, so here it represents. Okay. And we go another H2 tag, the contact us. So after the contact us, I used a paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag, I have email, the CSE department, college, digital skills. Here I used a BR tag. So the BR tag represents a break between the text, these two texts. Okay. So the email and the phone. That basically the BR tag creates a new line. So the email is in a one line. I mean one line. Another the BR tag is used here. So it creates a new line. Okay. And the phone number, another BR tag. After finishing the paragraph, email, phone, and address, and closing the paragraph tag, and we can use a chat tag. It represents a horizontal line, which is like a footer section. Okay, so we denote a chat tag, and then we use another paragraph tag, which represents the 2025, like the copyrights of the 2025 department computer science. Okay, so the ampersand of copy represents the symbol of C copyright symbol. And finally, we can close the body tag and also the HTML tag. After completing everything in the code, so we can see finally the output. The output shows the heading, like the title in the tab Department of Computer Science, and then the heading, the H1 tag represents the Department of Computer Science as a bigger font size. Okay, and the subheadings like about the department, vision and mission, courses offered, contact us with the H2 tag in the output, and with the Department of Computer Science under the about the department. And our vision is to produce competent under the vision and mission, and the courses offered like the CSBS, ADS, CC, and also the copyright 2025 department.